Canva had to jump into the AI game, and it is so cool. I'm here on the home screen. Let's click on Magic Studio. You can watch this video. It's going to give you a quick overview and kind of show you really quickly all the different AI tools that Canva has added. It breaks it down even further to show you try a magic design, try it for a presentation, try it for a video. Scroll down further, and it's going to show you how to transform the content within the flyers, documents, presentations that you've created. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can totally do this, and it is so much fun. Let's just start real quick. Magic design. Okay, so try typing bright and fun color run. Bright and fun color run. And I like how down here that it tells you the technology is new and improving. If the template doesn't seem right, it might not seem right. I want to make this oh gosh, there's all different ones. Facebook posts, stories, all different kinds of templates. Ooh, I like this poster. Let's go ahead and customize. A couple features I want to point out within. I love this magic switch. So let's say that you created a presentation, but you want to turn it into something else. You want to turn it into all text. You want to turn it into an email. It's going to do that for you, and it's going to keep that same overall format. So if you need to, for example, create something for class, but you want to translate it to share with parents and you don't want to have to recreate the wheel, this is a great way to do that. So now we've gone from a flyer to an email text document. Super cool. Let's go back to this flyer. Again, deep, even within, it'll, show you some magic AI. Down here is the assistant. If you want to magic write, donate to your favorite cause, generate. It's going to give you a whole paragraph about donating. And of course, you can edit that as you please. Here we go. I'm just going to move this out of the way, but you can see donate to your favorite cause. This says festival. Maybe I want to come up with a different word. Let's make it more fun. Let's get festive. So it could just, change whatever you want to change. This is one of my favorites. Let's turn this into a presentation. I'm going to copy and resize. I'm going to open it. So now we have a presentation, a flyer, and an email document. If I want to present this to my students, I want to show you some of the magic shortcuts that we can do when we're presenting. So you can actually click on these, or as you can see, they are keyboard shortcuts. So right now I'm clicking, but if I just hit the letter M, so just something fun to add in once you're doing your presentations. AI is so fun, so easy to use, and I love that they've integrated it into Canva.